Another important feature of creating and adding chemical supplies is creating tank mixes. There are two ways to create tank mixes. The first way being in this area where I can select create tank mix at the bottom. Now I will enter tank mix name. I'm going to enter the application base rate, in this case 10 gallons per acre. Move to the bottom and select add chemical. Here I can select another chemical from my supplies list and add a rate for this chemical. Select save tank mix at the bottom, and this now will be added to the application that you've created, but then also when selecting manage supplies you can see that new tank mix added as well. The second way to create tank mixes is through manage supplies, where at the bottom of chemicals I select manage supplies and add new tank mix. Here I'm going to add my name, my application base rate, any details and notes, and add my products at the bottom and my application rates. For more questions, please reach out to your local Farmer's Edge rep.